Okay, so today we're going to just do a really quick lesson since I'm not here today. It's over quadratic regression, meaning all you're doing is writing a quadratic equation from a table. And this is super easy because Desmos does all of it for you. So basically, anytime you're given a table or points and you need the equation, you'll just ask Desmos. So as you know, the equation is y equals, the standard formula of a quadratic equation is y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. Okay? So there is a way that Desmos will give you this equation. You just got to be careful how you put it in. Once you put it in, you'll just leave it there and then just change the table. So all you have to do is the first thing you want to do is you want to add a table. So the first thing you'll do is add a table. You go to Desmos. In order to add, you go to the little plus table. Okay? And then you just type in all your points. So here I got 12, 105, negative 633. So 12, 105, negative 6, 33. 948, negative 748. Okay. All right. So now that you have your table, notice it plotted the points for you. So now we want the quadratic regression equation. So as we know, the equation again was y equals ax squared plus bx plus c. So this is the way you do it. And some of you might remember it's similar to when we did linear regressions. So you're going to type this in, but you just got to do it a little carefully. Instead of just putting a y, we're going to put y1. And instead of putting an equal sign, we put the little squiggly, the approximate sign. Then you do ax, again a 1. We still need to square it, plus bx, a 1, plus c. Okay? And this is how you enter it. And it'll give you the equation. So what it'll do is it's going to give you the A, the B, and the C, and you'll put it together in the equation. So just notice, pay attention how I'm going to type this in exactly the way I see it. So here, you'll do y1, squiggly, remember the squigglies right here, A, X, 1, it puts the 1 at the bottom, and then if you do the square, okay, then you do a plus bx. Again, we put a 1 plus c. Okay, and then once you type this in, you can just leave it. And as you notice, it gives you the a, the b, and the c. So the a is 1, b is negative 2, c is negative 15. So the a is, I already forgot, oops. 1, negative 2, negative 15. Okay? So then the equation for this one, we would just type it in, right? You just type in, so y equals ax squared. So you just type it in. So y equals, the a is a 1, put 1x squared. The b is a negative 2, so you could just put minus 2x, and the c is minus 15. And that's your equation. Okay? So I'll go ahead and just do one more, and then you'll just finish up the rest on Schoology. Super quick, super easy assignment for today. So the next one we're going to do is number 2. And mind you, these two are two tables that are in Schoology. I just don't know what number. So I got negative 5. So we'll leave this here and just change out the numbers. Okay. So negative 5. Negative 17, 446, 682, 126. Okay. And again, it gave me the A, the B, and the C. The A is a 1, the B is an 8, and the C is a negative 2. So then all you got to do is plug that in to your equation. So the A is a 1, B, C, else I keep forgetting? 8, -2. So remember, just plug it in. So if your equation is y equals a 1x squared, the b is next, so you do 8 plus the positive 8x. And the c is a -2, you just do -2. And that's your equation, and that's what you type in Schoology, okay? So go on ahead and answer all the questions on Schoology. Again, once you have that equation in, you can just leave the equation there in the calculator, okay? So you're just going to leave this there, change the table, and it'll give you the equation, and you're just typing in the A, the B, and the C for Schoology, basically, okay? So Schoology looks like this. Let me see if I can pull it up for you. They're asking for the whole equation, blank 1, blank 2, blank 3. Basically, this is your A, your B, and your C, and so all you have to do is type those in there, okay? All right.